Today, we're making s'mores.
Some assembly required.
It's kind of my life's ambition to be able to crochet those cute little amigurumi crochet dudes.
Did I say crochet the crochet dudes?
Unfortunately, I don't really know how.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to teach ourselves. Because it needs to be done. It needs to happen. We saw a picture of crocheted s'mores online, but we couldn't find a pattern, which is a shame, so we're just gonna have to make one up. I think that's gonna involve learning a lot of crochet. Let's see how it goes. Let's see what we'll need. I've got yarn in white, tan, and brown, a crochet hook, yarn needle, and some stitch markers. And some safety eyes, because of course it's going to have a face. Come on now. We are starting with the graham crackers. The crackers are going to be granny squares, which we don't know how to make. No time like the present to learn. For the size we want, we're doing 2 rows of a granny square pattern. If you want a bigger s'more, just make a bigger graham cracker. We'll be needing 2. Now it's time for chocolate. I looked at a bunch of different stitches, and we've decided to use bobble stitches, so it kind of looks like a candy bar. Kind of. I chained 6 so I can make 2 bobbles across. And I like the way it looks with 3 bobbles down. And now I will single crochet around the outside edge just to neaten it up, like really a lot, because it's not neat.
Not bad.
It did take me a few tries to figure out this stitch, but I feel like this resembles a chocolate bar, at least a little.
All that's missing is a marshmallow.
After our magic ring, we're increasing 2 rounds until we have 18 stitches. I don't think we want it too wide. Then we're going to start adding rows for height. For the first row, I'm only crocheting into the front loop because I think that will make a better corner. I ended up making 6 rows.
But I ended up with 5.
And I think those are both pretty good proportions, so let's make their little cap. It's just another 2-row circle that's going to end up with 18 stitches on the outside to match the rest of the marshmallow. I'll just clean up all his little yarn tails. And then I can add some safety eyes. I chose brown for a toasty look.
And stuffing.
Finally, it's time to sew him up. I could stuff him a little more now, but I think he's fine. I want him to be able to squish. Look how cute!
And here's mine.
They're so cute. I really like them. And
cute.
I'm very proud of all the stitches that we learned.
Yeah.
Because if you had asked me last week if I could do this, I would have said, no, I cannot do that. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
But they're cute, and our quest for crochet domination continues. So if you like to crochet, you probably already know how to make something like this, but it's fun and you should do it because there needs to be more marshmallows in your life.
Yeah, they turned out so cute.
Yeah, they're cute. I think mine might be a little bit tall. 5 rows might be better, but there's just so much more squishability. So, I hoped you enjoyed this little video, and I think that you should probably try this. If you want to learn how to crochet, try it! Or if you want to learn how to do any of these things, there are so many videos on YouTube, and some of them are really hard to follow, but some of them are really great.
Yeah.
You can usually find some way to figure out whatever it is that you want to learn, so why not try? The worst thing that can happen is it looks like the first chocolate bar that I made. So, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you had a good time. New videos come out
Every Saturday.
so until the next one, be awesome. And we'll see you then.